Hello folks, welcome to Yardie Belly's Kitchen. It's been a little while since I did any video. Yeah, been busy, but today I have a special for you all, and it is my version of Jamaican seasoned rice. Yes, everybody who from Jamaica know about seasoned rice, but today I'm gonna prepare it a little bit different using a little bit of maybe different ingredients from the norm, and I want to show you what I have now. Start out with some previously cooked shrimp, yeah, and medium sized shrimp, maybe about half pound. I have here frozen peas and carrots and corn, and I'm gonna add those. Over here, I've already cooked my pumpkin. I have garlic, and I have two different types of onion there. I have the red onion and some sweet onion with a little bit of thyme. I have scallion. I have over here green bell pepper, radish, and some celery at the bottom. And of course, I have my butter. All right. And over here, I have some ackee and saltfish. Yes, ackee and saltfish, like what you make for breakfast, Jamaican food. And of course, I have my rice. Now, you may be looking at it and saying, a little bit crazy, right? But let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, most people make this into a one pot meal. I don't like it like that because I think the rice comes out a little bit soft and it's almost like you're making pilaf, right? Or risotto. I don't like that. I prefer it like a fried rice texture. So I'm adding my ingredients separately. I'm building on the flavors, building up the pot until I get what I want. So bear with me. And of course, if you have ackee and saltfish, you can prepare it like you're doing for breakfast or, regular meal. And then you'll use some leftovers. Today, I've prepared this just for my seasoned rice. All right. So we're going to put everything together right now. So in my skillet, I put some olive oil. And I'm just sauteing my shrimp. Now I want my shrimp to pretty much be, I don't want a lot of oil in it. I don't want a lot of liquid. And these previously cooked shrimp, they carry a lot of liquid. But I'm just sauteing them quickly to get out some of the liquid. All right, so my shrimp is sauteing really, really nice. I just added some garlic to the pot just to build some flavors. All right, I added simply some adobo, some lemon pepper, paprika, a little bit of ginger powder, that is, and then the garlic. All right, now I don't want this to cook that long before I start to build on the flavors. The next thing I'm gonna add is my onions. All right, let me put my thyme aside a little bit. And again, we're just building on flavors. The regular seasoned rice from Jamaica was you start out with the rice first and you add everything to it, right? See?
Yeah.
But I don't like it that way, as I said before, because it end up become too soft, or we Jamaicans call it ploko.
So this is like a seasoned fried rice.
Yeah, let me shift my light a little bit. I want my light, I don't want my light to overtake my pot. All right. So it's a Jamaican version of fried rice, we would say. All right. And then as I said, we build on the flavors until we add what we want to add. I'm gonna add my rice relatively now, and let me tell you why, the secret behind that. I'm gonna put pumpkin as well. So the more I fold my rice in, is the more that the pumpkin will break apart and add to the thing. All right, to the dish. Okay. So you just add your rice, and I'm adding in stages. I don't want to add everything because I don't want to overfill my pot. See what I'm saying, folks? As it is now, my seasoned rice start to smell good already.
It could be a rice and shrimp. Seasoned rice.
It could be. And the shrimp argument is not all Jamaicans put shrimp in them seasoned rice. In Jamaica, where they have dried shrimp, you know, or the peppered shrimp, and we used to just add it to it, you know, and it used to do an amazing transformation to the routine regular seasoned rice. As you see, the rice is also picking up the color from the seasoning with the shrimp. Yeah? Building on. The next thing that I'm gonna add is my mixed vegetable, previously frozen vegetable. It works better than the fresh because, again, you don't want the thing to get too soft. Or in Jamaica, we call it plucker, right? The plucker, we say? Just tell me now.
Work over the other side, yeah. You're adding stuff over here, you need to add it over the other side.
Add stuff over where? I don't understand.
Like if you're adding stuff over here, you're blocking the pot. If you add it over there,
oh, okay.
You're not blocking the pot.
Okay. See how the seasoned rice start look good now, folks? Trust me. And this, you're just going to allow this to do its thing. You know, as a matter of fact, I should have added my pumpkin from earlier, but because might get mixed up with the Wallapa stuff. But you can add your pumpkin at this stage.
Add.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, the camera, you know. See, what you do now with your pumpkin is that you just incorporate it. Alright? Eventually, by stirring your pot, your pumpkin are going to mix in, and eventually it will flavor and color the food, make it nice. You see me?
See ya.
So, the seasoned rice is building. Now, the last thing that I'm going to add is my ACKEE and SALTFISH, because I want my ACKEE, you don't want it to totally mash out. And your ACKEE and your SALTFISH is probably one of the bigger flavor carriers. Alright? Our flavoring agent to this pot, because ACKEE and SALTFISH carry, well, the saltfish alone has a whole heap of flavor. Alright? I am putting in my thyme, or fresh thyme, if there's such a word. That's what the word pronounced, right? Fresh thyme.
Nobody say thyme, really. It's just thyme.
Then, but suppose foreigner listener, them think me I put in watching night. You know? Or you know, some Jamaicans come a foreign and forget to them, you know, how to pronounce the word like Jamaicans. So them say, what did he say? Alright, I'm cutting up my escallion. Normally I cut this on the cutting board, but hey, that's how my mama used to do it. And I'm proud of my mama. But this is what, when Jamaicans say they're making seasoned rice, these are the components of a Jamaican seasoned rice, ladies and gentlemen. As I said, the cooking styles might be different, but overall, this is what we do in Jamaica when we're making seasoned rice. We mix all of these ingredients and make the food come out nice. Remember, I know my wife is smelling the smells in the kitchen and it pressure in her nose. Hey, all right, let's add my vegetables. See, healthy eating.
Such a kaleidoscope of colors.
Hallelujah. He can that.
Boy.
And the last thing we're gonna add is our ACKEE.
Not hockey.
Sure. And just before I put in my ACKEE and SALTFISH, I'm gonna cut up some Scotch bonnet pepper in this. And trust me, ladies and gentlemen, the flavor of the Scotch bonnet pepper is vital towards making this authentically Jamaican. My wife don't like the whole pepper, but in this case, she will have to bear it. Alright, folks. So now you spoon your ackee and your saltfish over all of this. Trust me. You want every bit of it in there. You want the gravy, you want the ackee, you want the saltfish. Sorry, may I block the camera. But such is life when you're at an important, pivotal moment such as this. And you simply fold in. Take your time. Don't rush it. Take out that piece of time here from my thing. You smell it?
Mm-hmm. Not hard folds. Soft folds.
And folks, all you do now is just allow this to warm through. And you have a perfect, listen me, perfect Jamaican one-pot meal. Not too soggy, not too hard, just perfect. Everything fitting in how it's supposed to fit in. Alright? And if I choose to plate it, then I just plate it. You put a piece of pear or avocado beside this, and you're good to go. But trust me, folks, very, very, very healthy, very good for you. Jamaican version of seasoned rice. Yardie belly enough for? I just put some black pepper, and I'm now, again, very unorthodox, but this is how I'm doing it. I'm using coconut milk powder. All right, folks? You know, you can either cook the rice with the coconut milk, or, yeah, I would prefer cooking the rice with the coconut milk, but it didn't work that way. So I'm adding my coconut milk at this point. All right, because I know I'm gonna allow this to steam for another 10-15 minutes. I know I can use it this way. Just fold it in once again and allow it to flavor your seasoned rice. Again, very unorthodox, not what everybody would do, but this is Yardie Belly's kitchen. We do things a little bit different here. All right, so here we go, folding it in. Next comes the plating. I said the thing said. So here is my finished seasoned rice, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you, this one is a must try. Succulent shrimp, you know, ackee and saltfish, all those vegetables, and of course your rice. You have to try this one. And it's well worth it, because I'm telling you, as a one-pot meal, it really stands out.